if you remember on a previous video, we had one wheel bearing that was really bad, and of course the consequences of that is it's taken the stub axle with it. It's really worn. In fact, I measured and it was 0.5 millimetre difference from the middle to the end, so the wheel's been rocking around like this, and the oil seal, well, that's finished. I just wanted to show you here, just here a minute. This has got to be the best value for money tab washer. This must be the original one. Look at the state of that. And this is why I only use them once, because all those little metal particles that get chipped off getting the bearings. Let's go and have a look at the front. So I've decided to strip the whole lot down, just as well too, because this is the CV out of here. It's got grease in it, and that is all it's got in it. Look, dry as a bone. Look at that, eh? No oil in it at all. Look, they just packed it with grease, so that's no good. The other side's got grease in, like a liquid grease of some description. That's how it should be. It's a bit black, but again, we're going to take it all apart. What I'm going to do is undo these bolts from here, off the flange, and then take all this assembly off and do it on the bench. That's just as easier. We've got the brake pipes to change. They're going to be done. Yeah, a great old mucky job. Nothing really to report. But we're taking it all to bits. Curtis is helping me today. But we want to get another order into the UK to find out what exactly we need. The tie rod ends, or track rod end bushes, or should we say, the tie rod ends have been replaced, but the rubbers have cracked. So we'll replace those too. In fact, I don't know what we haven't replaced. The diff I haven't got round to doing today, but I'll do it tomorrow. Again, stuck for parts. Now, somebody asked me about how safe is my tool here. Well, I think somebody sort of misunderstood that the bar on the top, where I welded it on, under here, is at an angle. It can't go anywhere, you know. And anyway, that's the same copy as a Churchill tool, so it should work. Right, if there's anything else to report, I'll report back. As you can see by the mess, we're cleaning the chassis out of this 110 from Malawi. And it's not very bad, is it, Curtis? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. This time we're using, on recommendation, a drain cleaner with a, what was it, a reverse blasting type of thing. But to tell you honest truth, there's only a little bit of sand in it. It's not too bad. It's not like the other truck we did the other week. But it's getting it out. You know, it's pushing it out. The only downside about this drain cleaner thing, we can't use the hot water because we can't build up pressure because it's direct from the pump. But yeah, we just drilled a few holes down here, one here, one at the top like normal, and it's washing out lovely. The other side was bad, wasn't it, Curtis? Yeah. We couldn't get through because of the wiring, but it's not too bad. So we've got it all washed off right underneath. These cross members, even the centre cross member, we managed to get into that. Okay, back in again. Because the light, we couldn't see for the light, so now Curtis is squirting up inside the outrigger. We got quite a little bit of, well, quite a bit of muck out. They're quite tricky. Yeah. I was just trying to see if we could use that up the door pillar. I'm not sure if it'll reach. The downside about this is we have to keep running backwards and forwards to turn the power washer off. Okay. I'm going to turn it off now. We'll see if we can get it up the door pillar. Yeah. Oh, that's knocking some rubbish out, Curtis. That's knocking some rubbish out. Yeah. The front bumper attachments are notorious for filling full of dirt and rusting out. But with that back jet, it's really making a good job of it. There's real thick muck coming out of that. Alright? Alright, I'll turn it off. See, yeah, this one, it looks like it's had grease in it from power steering. Oh, we're alright, not too bad for light here. But you can see it's all greasy and it's difficult to break up. But we broke it up with a screwdriver. So hopefully you can get it out. I don't know why they did it like this, Curtis, because it's like a big channel under here, yeah, with a place where a bolt goes through and a tube. So all the rubbish gets clogged up, and they put a little, like 8mm hole at the bottom, expecting all the rubbish to get out. Anyway, let's film this live. You get your plastic out and show you how we do it. I'll be the pump man.
Hold up. Put this up all over there.
You ready?
Wash the floor. Nope.
Coming out.
Now we need heat to break this up.
Yeah, I think so. But I think persevering it with I think you're too far forward there, Curtis. It's no good looking cool.
Yeah, it's too hard.
Don't break up.
Water's too cold.
I can't do anything about it, Curtis.
Huh?
I can't do anything about it. I can't get the heat on because there's no pressure. There's no trigger to build up the pressure.
That's it.
It's got like a safety thing on. Let's have a look and see what it did. No, see, look at this. It's like rubber, look. Don't laugh. Don't laugh, you're doing it. I'll tell you what, get a screwdriver in there, we'll just break all this. Oh, look, I can push it out with my finger, look. The daftest idea of holding a bloody bumper on I've ever seen. I don't know what the hell they were thinking.
Chocolate chip, put a cookie.
Right, let's persevere.